This feature, which I would like to show you, is custom defined calculations. And for sure, this is one of the most exciting features. If you're not impressed by this, you're not impressed by anything. As far as I'm concerned, this is really, really new and really exciting. If I go up to Custom Calculations, top right hand corner, and click on the Calculator button, I have a window where I can set up my custom calculation. If I click New, I can set up here a name. Now, just trying to think of something that's a little bit sensible. I'm going to call this my special average height change. And we can name it whatever we want. Now, this is going to be for my EMDCSS dynamic simple shear test. So I need to choose simple shear. There's a dynamic simple shear set up in the background. Simple shear. Now, here is where I can choose exactly what I want my calculation to be. So from all the red parameters on the system, from all the calculated parameters, and from all the specimen parameters. So I'm going to choose axial displacement plus axial displacement 2, just to make this a kind of semi-sensible demonstration. I'm going to put brackets around that. We can use all the normal mathematical operators and divide that by 2. So there is kind of a sense in that. We've got the axial displacement on my current system here as read from the encoder, plus the axial displacement as read by the LVDT, and I'm just adding them together and dividing them by 2. So some kind of common sense. I can apply that, and I'm going to remove this. Now back to my station configuration. If I click on my little tool here, I can go into the area where I can adjust it, and you'll see now we have custom calculations, special average height change, which is the one I've just set up. If I choose to include that within my setup, I can now crack on and choose a test. New test. Carl. Save. Let's accept the specimen details. And I'm just going to do a basic logging test. Let's do the default that comes up, because we just want to see that special calculation is available. Start this test. Let's see if I add my live data. We can see right at the bottom here should be my special average height change, which is being calculated perfectly. And I can put that on a graph. Rather than axial load here, right at the bottom, special average height change. And there we have it. There is our custom calculation. If I go back to the custom calculations, although I can't, because the test is running, I can't adjust this. We can see that we can have as many custom calculations as we like, and down the bottom here we can even enable control, so we can control on that calculation, which really does create for a powerful system.